Introducing the double wheelie bin tipper forklift attachment by Verdex. A heavy-duty solution designed to make waste handling safer, faster, and more efficient. This attachment makes it easy to tip two standard 240-litre plastic wheelie bins with a full 180 degrees rotation. No manual handling required. Remember to attach the unit's safety chain to the forklift's backrest before use. The integrated ramp allows bins to easily roll directly into the cradle, and securing the bins is easy with the chain tension lever for the body and the second safety chain securing from the bin's handles, keeping them stable and secure throughout the tipping process. Thanks to its smart design, the forklift driver can control the entire tipping action without ever leaving the seat, improving workflow and safety on site. Simply rest the attachment onto the lip of the bulk container and reverse your forklift tines slowly to activate the tipping cycle. When returning the bin tipper to its upright position, use the side of the bulk container as leverage as you reverse and lower the attachment. Zinc-plated finish for corrosion resistance and increased durability. Whether you're handling general, industrial, or high-volume manufacturing waste, this attachment delivers a reliable and effortless tipping solution every time. Verdex, equipping workplaces.